takes a long time to be pushed out of your element and find that unknown that a lot of us are searching for. And water has a pretty incredible ability to just do that to you immediately. And suddenly you feel like a small person in a very big ocean.
We make an incredible origami kayak that folds up into a small carrying case, providing access to places they'd never been before. You cross over that bridge and you sigh, home. You're looking at the ocean with monoliths of rock shooting out of the water. Come over the next hill, you'll be in sections where there's no rain, but the eucalyptus trees are catching fog at such a rate that it's pouring rain on you.
There's almost a palpable change of speed of life. It's like this moment of slowing down and almost centering. The word connectedness is something we talk about a lot, of being connected with the water and connected with the outdoors.
It's never identical, never the same. It feels like it's the Earth's breath, and you can feel the chest pumping as you're sitting there. That's always given me goosebumps. When you're in the boat, you realize that, oh, the goal is being here right now.
It's a reminder of what you need and what really matters. You know what? I can be happy with just a few things.
Advanced Elements Straight Edge Angler Pros are definitely a step up for us. We could do extended expeditions with these kayaks. With the extra space, we can fit tons of fishing gear, camera equipment, food, camping equipment. It just really makes a big difference for us. I love to be able to stand up. You can sight cast a lot easier when you're higher up above the water, and they're really stable. So, stand-up paddling is really not a problem at all with these.
These new boats are amazing because they are inflatable, which allows us to travel with them super easily. We can have them in the backcountry of Mexico, Australia, anywhere with us. So we feel like we have all our needs met in these boats that are travel ready. I just love the fact that I can bring my dog out there. It kind of opens up a whole new world for me, being able to bring her out there and hitting the backcountry with so much room in those boats so we can really get after it.
Aquaglide's Navarro 110 is a recreational sit-inside solo kayak. It offers a dry and comfortable ride for year-round paddling. It is 11 feet 4 inches in length. It weighs 28 pounds. It has a 300-pound capacity for paddler and gear. It's a recreational kayak with a premium on stability and comfort. Its low rocker design aids in tracking. The cover decks offer full coverage on the bow and stern. This helps keep you warm and dry. It uses Aquaglide's hard bottom technology for maximum stiffness and performance. The tubes are constructed with welded bladders and an outer skin of Hex Shell 600 denier ripstop polyester for durability and UV resistance. This outer skin is also used for the non-removable bow and stern decks. The hard bottom floor is built with heavy-duty, high-pressure drop stitch construction for durability and rigidity. The bow features a comfortable carry handle. The front deck has a zipper for easy access to storage in the bow, and the bungee rigging offers secure storage for dry bags or other gear above the deck. This offers easy access while on the water. The inflatable cockpit rim helps keep water out. It also accepts a spray skirt for added warmth and dryness. Skirts are sold separately. Paddle holders on both tubes offer hands-free access when fishing, birdwatching, or grabbing a cold drink. 2 comfortable side handles for solo carrying. The core seat features a thick padded seat cushion. The seat cushion anchors to the floor with hook and loop strips. The adjustable high backrest offers lots of support and comfort. The breathable mesh panels keeps your back cool. The seat easily installs in seconds with quick release buckles. It includes a foot brace that attaches with hook and loop strips on the floor for easy adjustment and installation. The rear deck has a zippered hatch for easy access to storage in the stern. There are 4 easy access valves for inflating the side tubes, floor, and cockpit ring. 2 Boston valves on the tubes, 1 twist lock valve on the cockpit rim, and 1 Halkey-Roberts style valve for the high pressure floor. Inflation with a hand pump takes about 10 minutes. A 12-volt electric low-pressure pump is recommended to inflate for quickness and ease. Then a quick top-off to proper pressure with a hand pump. Pumps and valve adapters are not included. They are sold separately. There's a drain plug in the stern. When on shore, you can open this drain and lift the bow to drain any water that may be in the boat. For increased tracking, there's a fin box in the stern, and it comes with Aquaglide's weedless, quick-release fin. It includes a duffel-style carrying and storage bag. The boat and bag easily fits into a trunk, a closet, or in your RV. They can even be checked in as luggage on a flight. Aquaglide's Navarro 110 offers access to year-round paddling and comfort and ease, with the added performance of the hard bottom floor.